Hey everyone, welcome to Diamond Princess. I am Nidhi over here. So today I am going to make a vlog on CCD and Subway vlog. So I'll just start getting and yeah. Here's so it's 8 in the night and we are just having subs and some brownie from CCD.
With other chicken.
So guys, I am taking chicken slice Subway and Ruhani is taking
as usual veggie paneer
tikka. So he's just making it. Yes, so guys, now we have just taken our subs, so it's just going to be packed now and we are just now going to CCD Cafe Coffee Day. So bye guys, I and Ruhani are in Qutub Tiffin. It's near Qutub Minar in Delhi. Guys, so I am here. And Ruhani is just there. Yes, so guys, so we are here in CCD and Ruhani is eating her favorite cookies.
Oatmeal cookie. It's oatmeal cookie. Honey and oatmeal cookie. Sorry, I actually clear it off. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's
Nidhi, would you like to share? It's 2 in single pack. So
thanks. That's yummy. So guys, we are in the CCD as I told you before. So we ordered some shake, alphonso shake.
And it's buy one get one free offer is going on.
Yeah. Tell them. Buy one get one free offer. I want one. Cheers. Cheers. So that's 2 yum, and that looks like it has real alphonso taste, alphonso mango. And here are our subs and cookie. And here is.
We man are so foodie, no? We are so foodie.
Yeah, we are so foodie.
So much, yaar.
So it's like things attract us. Food attract us too much.
Good food.
Even junk food. Even junk food is only tasty and craving. It's like tempting.
It is tempting, yaar, man. Come on, don't you see my face?
My God.
That's so yum. Okay. Achha, brownie you put okay. Wow, nice, na? Change brownie. I get it. Thank you, bhaiya.
So it's our brownie with ice cream. Yeah, let's have it.
Brownie is so yum.
Yeah, it is too yum. It's not so yum, it's too
2
yum. 2 yum veggie sticks. Me too, yeah. That's so bad of you. I'll just first take ice cream. Yum. And then the brownie with more ice cream.
That looks too yum.
That was a craving for it. That's yum. Brownie,
my love of my life. Brownie with ice cream.
Our love of life. Diamond Princess love.
Diamond Princess love.
Princess. I am eating and I'm from one and I'm holding the camera, so I can't do.
Chalo. Please share, like and subscribe. Comment down below for CCD.
How do you like it?
That's
and which is your favorite dish?
Food place as well.
Yeah. And which is your favorite dish here? And CCD and Subway, which is your favorite sub? And
so please comment down below.
Bye bye.